How to create a new account on Wix.com. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily register for a new account here. Go ahead and open up your web browser and then search for Wix.com. Hit enter. You'll be taken directly to this Wix.com website builder. If you are new, you're going to have to click on Get Started, or if you already have an account, you can just click on Login. I'm going to click on Get Started. And then from here, you'll be taken to the sign up portal. So here you have two options. You can continue with Google or Facebook. These are one-click sign up, so it's going to be easier and your accounts will be connected with each other as well. Or you can just continue with your email address. So let me just go ahead and enter my email address here. And then you're going to have to confirm your email address. So let me just go ahead and confirm it. Seems like I cannot paste it here, so I'm going to have to type it manually again. Now just choose a password. It should have a upper and lowercase symbols and a longer password. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. And I'm gonna go ahead and copy the password down here. All right, so all you have to do is click on the sign up button and your new account should be registered with your email. Now choose what you're using this website builder for. I'm going to choose it for my business or a friend. Click on continue. Now on this next site, you can start a chat, but I'm going to continue without it. You can always use AI to enhance your websites. So what kind of portfolio or business website do you want? So let's say if I want one for my online store, I'm going to click on it, click on continue. And once you do that, it will automatically prepare a dashboard for your website. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically create an account on Wix. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.